Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Yemenite Comedian. Today I'm outside. It's currently let me check what time it is. It's 9:48 outside, almost 9:50. There's like all these fire trucks out of nowhere. I think there's something wrong with this building. I'm not sure. There's two fire trucks. There's a police. He's turning around. He just came in. I think there's like a fire or something. I'm not sure what happened. Stay tuned in. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I think it's just a fake thing that someone maybe tried to prank call or something like that, or it's a fake alarm. I think they're putting the ropes back together and they're all going back inside. So that's it for the video, guys. Please subscribe, like my video, share, do anything to support, and tell your friends to subscribe. That's it.